Kristoff, great to have you here.
Lovely seeing you here.
Sorry, John, mate.
One, take two.
Kristoff, do you mind telling everyone what you're doing here?
I'm here actually to talk about the commercial graduate program. I moved to Grangemouth when you left, you moved to Cologne when I left, and now finally we reconvene after that first.
Together.
Exactly.
It's amazing because we both started in the same place.
Thinking about the last 3 years, what we've achieved, I mean we're both in roughly the same place in our career.
Could you tell me how it is you came from a chemical engineer in Leuven to the commercial position you are today?
Basically, it's just all by taking up projects and just growing into your role. And Ineos as a company as well, growing really quickly, that you as an individual can easily grow with it. You work hard, you show that you want to move forward, and I think then you can achieve anything within the company.
What I really like about Ineos is that it gives them the edge when exploring new business opportunities, exploring investments. They're thinking slightly differently to how other people would.
Open door policy, you sit next to your director.
You feel very comfortable sort of going and chatting to someone at a very high level because you know they're all on board and doing the same things as you. For me, I'm not the sort of person who learns something by watching other people do it. I have to do it myself, get stuck in, where at the end of the day I can look back and I can see what I've achieved and potentially even what value I've brought to the business. The time has flown by. When you look back on it, it barely feels like it was yesterday.
And then not to forget the Namibia experience.
That for me was the pinnacle of the teamwork and the atmosphere. You and I, along with sort of 25 others in our peer group, ran, hiked, cycled across the Namibian desert.
Or saw each other in a different daylight. It was such an
You were a bit more sunburned. It wasn't just the trip, it was the lifestyle change that went with it and puts your mind to work on sort of what's next. Where's my next challenge going to be? If someone were to come to you with questions about joining Ineos, what would you say?
If you as an individual are really ambitious and you want to make a difference, you're not afraid to push boundaries and you think outside of the box, come join us. The experiences that Ineos offers are all great. Makes you friends for life and great colleagues, so an absolute fabulous environment to work at.